Welcome to the LivionKey training. In this video, you'll learn how to add a new key automat to LivionKey. To begin, navigate to the Key Automats page using the menu on the left. This page shows a list of all existing key automats within your organization. To add a new one, click the Add New Key Automat button in the top right corner. First, select the organizational unit where you want to install the key automat. In LivionKey, organizations can be structured into units, allowing you to restrict user access rights to resources under specific units. Setting up organizational units is recommended for larger organizations. For now, we'll use our root organization. Next, enter the exact physical address of the key automat. This address is crucial as it will be used in notifications when sending details for key retrieval or delivery. You also have the option to assign a label to the key automat. This step is optional but highly recommended, especially if you're installing multiple key automats at the same location. Labels should be simple, such as A, B, or C. Be sure to apply the same label as a sticker on the front plate of the key automat. When users receive a notification to retrieve a key, they will see the address and the label, helping them identify the correct key automat. Once the key automat is added, an installation code will be displayed. Your next step is to enter this installation code into the new key automat, which will be ready and waiting for installation. The key automat will blink with a yellow front light during this phase. After successfully entering the installation code, the key automat will connect to your organization and the iLock locking system. Next, explore the key automat settings for additional configuration. If the key automat is installed in a location that may be difficult to find, you can provide extra instructions. Go to the key automat settings and find the detailed location information for notifications section. Here, you can add written directions and, if necessary, a Google Maps link. Additionally, you can connect keypads to this key automat if you need to sync PIN codes from Key Automat to the iLock online reader or Livion keypad. And that's it. Thank you for watching.